Yes, the right way to prepare Jamaican famous curry chicken, curry goat, any curry. So we grate away ginger, you have garlic, cut up a pepper, burn it, burn the curry in the oil with this. Real flavor for chew. Alright guys, now we're gonna add our oil and then we're gonna add our curry. Real Jamaican curry flavor. So we add our curry. Add our curry. Now we're just gonna add our season. Then we're just gonna stir. Then pour water. That's it. Yeah man, so basically what we are gonna do people, we are gonna add any meat to this. Whether you're curry, whether you're goat, whether you're chicken, whether you're beef, whatever you are prepared. So you see that? Now we are gonna add it and we are gonna pour back little water right on it. That's your Jamaican curry, real curry flavor.